In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Krita canvas size step by step, using two different methods depending on what you need. If you want to resize the workspace without affecting your artwork, or if you want to scale the canvas and your drawing together, I'll cover both options so you can choose the right one for your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, let's look at method 1, which is resizing the current canvas. This changes the dimensions of your workspace, but it does not scale your existing artwork. That means your drawing stays the same size, and only the canvas area changes around it. To begin, open Krita and make sure your project is loaded. Then go up to the top menu bar and click on Image. In that menu, look for Resize Canvas. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+C if you want to work faster. When the Resize Canvas window opens, you'll see options for width and height. This is where you enter your new canvas dimensions. For example, if you want more room around your artwork, increase the width or height values. If you want a smaller canvas, reduce those numbers. After that, pay close attention to the anchor grid. This is very important because it controls where your existing artwork stays when the canvas changes size. If you anchor the artwork in the center, Krita will expand or crop evenly around it. If you anchor it to one side, the extra space will be added or removed from the opposite side. Take a moment to choose the anchor point that makes the most sense for your layout. Once everything looks right, click OK. Krita will instantly update the canvas size without changing the scale of your artwork. This is the best method if you only want to add space for more drawing, create room for text, or prepare an image for a different aspect ratio. Now let's move on to method 2, which is scaling the canvas and artwork together. This method is different because it changes the size of the canvas and also resizes your artwork to fit the new dimensions. So if you want everything to become larger or smaller together, this is the option to use. Again, go to the top menu and click Image. This time, select Scale Image to new size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I to open it quickly. In the Scale Image window, enter your new desired width and height, or set the pixel resolution you want. If you are resizing for social media, printing, or a specific screen size, this is where you can type in the exact values you need. You will also notice the Constrain proportions option. Keep this checked if you want to avoid stretching your artwork. This is a very important setting because it keeps the image ratio locked so your drawing stays proportional and doesn't look distorted. After entering the new size, double-check your settings one more time. If the proportions are correct and the dimensions are what you want, click OK. Krita will resize both the canvas and the artwork together. This is useful when you want the entire composition to scale as one, instead of just changing the empty space around it. So to quickly recap, if you want to change the canvas size without affecting your art, use Resize Canvas. If you want to change both the canvas and your artwork together, use Scale Image to new size. Knowing the difference between these two options will save you a lot of time and prevent mistakes in your artwork workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.